A middle-aged couple took a detour to the subway lock cave, looking for the elusive $5 footlong, and they never returned. Oh, it smells weird down here. Whoa. It's gotta be quiet. What if we see Bigfoot?
There's nowhere to run.
Good thing it's not very long. It's crazy how much more light the camera will pick up.
Things the cameras will pick up, and things our eyes will pick up, but the camera won't.
Mm-hmm. Did you hear that? Where are we? Does that mean I can get a $5 footlong?
Well, maybe that's what we're looking for here.
Yeah.
This is Subway Cave. Maybe this is the home of the long-lost $5 footlong. Let's see if we can find it. Might be jealously guarded by Bigfoot.
I know. I don't smell any bread.
No, I don't smell any bread bacon.
No pepperoni.
I think we would smell it if it was down.
Ah. No.
There's an informational plaque. Lucifer's cul-de-sac.
What? No way.
Yeah. Sometimes short fingers of lava branched out from the main flow. This chamber was formed when the side stream of lava halted and returned to the main flow. Look at the long ridges on the floor. They are probably pressure ridges caused by compression of the lava floor. Flash your light to the ceiling. Do you see the sparkles? Often the ceiling is covered with tiny drops of water which gleam like tiny little jewels in the lantern light. This is percolating groundwater, and the amount varies with the moisture in the ground above. There's no information about a footlong of any price.
No.
It must not be hidden here.
Brought my water bottle, but I guess I didn't need it. Just like the ceiling.
The sanctum.
The sanctum.
No sign of the holy footlong Subway sandwich, though.
No. I don't even smell it.
I don't even smell any.
As the lava flowed down the valley, it widened at this point and formed the largest chamber within the cave. Look at the textures in the rock. Oh man.
It's kind of soggy right here.
What's this one say?
Lava Sickle Lane. I don't know if I see anything like that.
There, lava sickles. Want to lick one?
Not as tasty as a popsicle.
Probably not. You would get your dose of minerals for the day.
Good thing somebody cleared all the trolls out of here.
I know. Yeah, this would have been a haunted house, and then they'd have to charge tickets. Is this the Holy Grail? Is this the shrine to Subway? Whoa. That's scary. I wouldn't want that to fall on your head. Yeah, that's more than your mom. It's more than my mom. Cooling of the solidified lava caused shrinking and cracking, which weakened areas, and the shell was thin and allowed them to collapse.
Check that out.
I know.
It's coming off.
Yikes, better get away, for we too are crushed. A middle-aged couple took a detour to the Subway lava caves, whoa! Looking for the elusive $5 footlong, and they never returned, crushed by a rubble collapse. They died hungry and cold.
Well, I haven't seen a sign of the Subway yet.
Me neither. Whoa, what is this? Is this a portal to another time and space? No.
This is interesting though. Like a lava bubble that popped.
Whoa. It's like a lava pimple.
Yeah.
How'd you like that? Subway caves. Oh, there's even more. Wow, look. Whoa. That would be cool to do a photo shoot in there.
Yeah, that part's well lit.
Mm-hmm.
Just walk and get in there.
Heck yeah. We made it.
We escaped Subway Cave.
Yeah. We didn't find the footlong.
No.
So now we gotta find it somewhere else.
Right. The search continues for the elusive $5 footlong.
Yep.
I'm gonna have to go back in time and find that one.
Uh-huh. Now we're back to the road. And back to the car, which is up ahead. Dogs aren't allowed in Subway Cave because they might eat all the sandwiches that aren't there. So, Wiggler's in the car. Never know what you'll find in Victorland. The place where the laws of the universe do not apply.